So these are three buckets of water, okay?
Yes.
And you have a solid object, and the solid object is like this in one case. In second case, it is like this, and in third case, it is like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to tell me W1, W2, and what is W1, W2, W3?
The weight of the ball.
Correct. And B1, B2, B3 is what?
Buoyant force of the ball.
Very good. You have to arrange them in some order, like increasing order or decreasing order of your wish. You arrange them, okay? Hmm. Yes. Have
Sir,
you?
yes. The answer will it be V3, V2, V1 क्योंकि it's in the decreasing order.
One second, one second. ऐसे बता दो greater than or less than का sign.
Okay, so um, V3 is greater than V2.
V or B? B, B.
W. B3 is greater than B2 and B2 is greater than B1.
That is correct. Why so?
So if we see in B3,
Hmm.
the object is going lower
Hmm.
and it is at a point where the buoyant force of the liquid will be at the most.
Okay.
And in B2,
Hmm.
the buoyant force of the liquid exerted on the object is less than of B3.
Hmm.
And in B1, the object the force exerted on the object is very less.
You have तुमने ये repeat किया ना अभी.
Uh,
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ why.
so because the liquid is not exerting any force on the object.
वो ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो ऐसा वन में क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Why it is not? Why it is
Because,
not exerting?
because the object is out of the liquid.
Correct. Very good. टू में तो out of नहीं है तो.
Because the buoyant force exerted is very less than of object.
And again, you are saying B2 is more than less than B3.
More or less.
Sorry, you are saying B2 is less than B3.
Yeah.
Give me a more, no, reason why it is less than B3.
Because weight less है, weight भी less हो सकता है.
नहीं, अच्छा पहले तो चलो ठीक है, इसका आंसर बता दो. W1, W2, W3 का क्या ऑर्डर है?
W1.
हम्म.
So W1 is less than W2 and W2 is less than W3.
अच्छा, what is W?
Weight of the object.
Weight of the object. What is weight of the object equal to? क्या होता है weight of the object?
The force displayed by the force displayed by the displays by the liquid.
नहीं, वो वेट वो तो बायनेंसी होती है.
So weight of the object.
किसी
नहीं,
चीज का वेट क्या होता है?
weight mass exerted by gravitation.
इनटू ग्रेविटी, नो?
Yeah.
तो ये तीनों में अलग अलग है क्या? ये मास किसका मास?
Object.
ऑब्जेक्ट का ना. ऑब्जेक्ट को पानी में डालो, चाहे मन डालो, चाहे हवा में रखो, उसका मास तो वही रहेगा ना.
हाँ.
और उसका ग्रेविटी भी उतनी ही लगेगी उस पे.
Yeah.
सो वेट इज ऑलवेज दे आर इक्वल. ओके,
Hmm.
ये लिखो, इसको लिखो. वेट लिख लेना. वेट इज mg. वेट इज इक्वल ऑफ ऑल थ्री. You understood why W1 equal to W2 equal to W3? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason for B3 more than B2 more than B1 is that more the liquid is displaced, more is the buoyant force. Write
Yeah.
that. More the liquid is displaced, more is the buoyant force. Okay. Now there is something called apparent weight. Okay. What is apparent weight?
Uh,
W apparent is actually equal to, see, in which direction is W acting? Weight किस तरफ act करता है object का?
towards Earth.
Hmm?
Weight किसकी तरफ आता है?
Is
Towards Earth.
very
Towards.
good. It's towards Earth. So weight, everyone's weight is acting downwards, right?
Yes, sir.
And buoyancy acts in which direction?
In the opposite direction.
Upward. Okay.
Yes.
So buoyancy acts like this. Okay. So apparent weight is actually W minus B. Okay. Look, apparent
Apparent.
weight is
What is the name?
apparent weight. It
Oh,
is apparent weight. Okay.
hmm.
ठीक है.
Hmm.
लिखा.
Yeah.
Now tell me whose apparent weight is most.
So, object 3.
Why?
Because उसका ज़्यादा buoyant force है more than of weight, जितना वो weight apply हो रहा है.
देखो, सबसे ज्यादा W किसका है? W सबके बराबर है कि नहीं?
सबके बराबर.
ठीक है. B सबसे ज्यादा किसका है?
B सबसे ज़्यादा किसका? weight 3 का.
3 का. अब सोचो W माइनस बी है. W, फिर उसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर, भी सब्ट्रैक्टिंग B. ओके.
Yeah.
तो W माइनस बी में अगर तुम, W minus B will be a big quantity if you subtract more or if you subtract less.
It will be subtract less then.
Yes.
Then it should be B1. It should be V1 W1 now.
Yes. The first object has the most apparent weight.
Okay.
Right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yes, I licked it.
हम्म
I wrote it.
ठीक है अभी so views apparent so लिखो the more the object is submerged in the liquid
Mhm.
more the object is so hum keep your video on.
So 1 second, sir, I'm logging laptop.
So can you repeat what you just said?
More the object is submerged in liquid, dash is its apparent weight. Hmm.
So
Repeat
less,
the.
right?
Yes, correct.
Less, less, less.
ठीक है. Next, Archimedes principle says that weight of displaced fluid equal to upthrust or buoyancy. Okay, weight of displaced fluid is equal to upthrust oblique buoyancy. The upward force is equal to weight of the displaced fluid.
Sir, I don't understand.
बताता हूँ लिख लो पहले.
Yes,
हम्म
I do.
ठीक है. अभी weight of displaced fluid is equal to upthrust. So see. So सबसे पहले ये लिखते हैं डेंसिटी इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम.
Yes.
ठीक है. Therefore mass is equal to density into volume.
Mm.
Okay. Now फिर नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट है वेट इज इक्वल टू मास mg, बेसिकली मास इनटू ग्रेविटी.
Yes, sir.
मास इनटू ग्रेविटी विच इज इक्वल टू mg. ओके.
Mm.
देखो यहां से क्या आया था मास इज डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम.
Yes, sir.
डेंसिटी का सिंबल क्या होता है.
So kg centimeter cube.
यूनिट नहीं सिंबल.
Symbol.
हम्म
D ही represent करते हैं.
हाँ ऐसे एक ये सिंबल है. ठीक है.
Yes.
सो हम यू नो दिस.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. So could you repeat what?
डेंसिटी का सिंबल पता है कि ये है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. और वॉल्यूम का v. ठीक है. वॉल्यूम इज ऑलवेज कैपिटल V. इट्स नेवर स्मॉल v. ठीक है.
Yes.
So this is m is equal to rho v.
Mm.
और दूसरा यहाँ पे है वेट इज मास इनटू ग्रेविटी. तो और मास कितना है रो वी. सो वेट इज रो वी जी. ओके. वेट इज इक्वल टू रो इंटू वी इंटू जी.
Mm.
ठीक है. अभी to understand this what is Archimedes principle, You said no, B3 is more than B2 is more than B1,
Yes, sir.
because we said the concept was more is it submerged, more is the buoyancy.
Yes, sir.
So why is that concept? Why when it is more submerged, buoyancy is more is the concept is when you are submerging it more,
Hmm.
what you're doing is you are what you're increasing. What are increasing? Very simply, what are increasing?
So you're increasing the inside का जो pressure है.
Pressure है, okay. So see, इधर पे कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इज डिस्प्लेस्ड, इतना वॉल्यूम देखो. When you displace a solid, when you submerge a solid into a liquid, that is when you lower down a solid into a liquid, what you're doing is think about this section. So this ball is इतना अंदर है पानी के, ठीक है. Think about this section of the water. क्या यहाँ पे अभी वाटर है?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, अभी थोड़ी ना है, बॉल डुबा दी ना.
But it has submerged, no?
अभी है क्या?
नहीं.
अभी नहीं है, अभी ये बॉल है. पहले इतना वाटर था. जैसा नो, यहाँ पे वाटर था.
Yeah.
वो वाटर अभी यहाँ नहीं है.
Oh,
यही तो रिजल्टेंट है ना.
yeah.
अगर बॉल इतनी पूरी डूबी है तो इतना पूरा का पूरा वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर, जो पहले यहाँ वॉल्यूम वाटर था, वो यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो हमें ये कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना होता है कि कौन सा, कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर को सॉलिड ने डिस्प्लेस कर दिया. ओके,
Hmm.
सो राइट, वी फाइंड द we find that volume of water which the solid had displaced. ठीक है. Soham and Spriha, keep both of you keep your videos on.
Yes.
Soham,
So yes, sir, I'm just logging into laptop. You can see it. There's some problem occurring.
okay, I can see you now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Some yes, sir. So I'll just join in 2 minutes in laptop.
So you're on mute.
Oh, sorry. So I am repeating. Okay. So first you find volume of displaced fluid. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then you go to mass of the displaced fluid. How do you go from volume to mass? You multiply by density. Okay.
It's a hanging gap. So,
सबसे, so we have to find volume of displaced fluid. Okay,
yeah,
from volume you will go to mass of displaced fluid.
yeah.
How do you go from volume to mass? You multiply by density.
Okay.
Okay, and then from mass you go to weight. How do you go from mass to weight? You multiply by gravity.
Okay.
ओके, सो सबसे पहले क्या आता है? v, फिर आता है m, फिर आता है w.
Hmm.
ठीक है,
Hmm.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
लिख लो इसको.
So we equate the like first law. I mean, what do you call the uh, F equals to mg equals to svg, right? Because we are considering mass,
It is
volume,
correct,
and
correct,
density.
correct, correct. So we equate मतलब mg, the force is mg, and which is also can be written as rho vg. It is called rho vg. Okay, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो अभी ये सोचो, अभी लिखो, ये बताओ मुझे, सोचो वैसे. ठीक है, नीचे की तरफ एक ऑब्जेक्ट के फोर्स लगता है वेट, है ना?
Yes, sir.
ऊपर की तरफ लगता है बायंसी.
हाँ.
बायंसी का भी हमने देखा, इट इज न्यूमेरिकली बायंसी इज इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्लूइड.
Hmm.
सो वी कैन से नीचे की तरफ लग रहा है वेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट,
Yeah.
ऊपर की तरफ लग रहा है वेट ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्लूइड.
Yes, sir.
सही बात है ना?
हाँ.
तो अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट पानी में है तो उसमें नीचे की तरफ लग रहा है वेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट,
Hmm.
ऊपर की तरफ लग रहा है वेट ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्लूइड. ठीक है,
Hmm.
तो लिख लिया. ओके, अभी एक काम करो, एक लिंक दे रहा हूँ, उस लिंक को क्लिक कर लेना दोनों लोग.